Exercise 2.3 First question. Represent the following inequalities in interval notation. The first subdivision question is x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and x is less than 4. So in the number line I am marking minus infinitive, plus infinitive, minus 1, 4. According to the question, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Whenever we have the greater than symbol, we have to shade on the right side of the number. So, minus 1, this side is the right side. I am shading this portion. Minus 1 is also included because they have told it is equal to. Now let us see here, x is less than 4. When it is less than, we have to shade on the left side of the number. Here this 4 is not included. So I included means I am marking it in dark, not included means I am just putting a circle. So minus 1 and the numbers between minus 1 and 4 are included. So how we have to write it in interval notation is by seeing this diagram. The shaded portion is our answer. So how I should write the answer is x belongs to, since minus 1 is included, since I have here equal to symbol, closed interval minus 1 comma all the numbers between minus 1 and 4. So minus 1 comma 4. 4 is not included because I do not have an equal to sign here. So it should be open interval here. Let us see the second subdivision. X is less than or equal to 5. I told you less than, we have to shade the left side of the number. So 5 is here. So I have to shade on the left side of the 5, and we are having equal to symbol. That means 5 is also included. They have told here x is greater than and equal to minus 3. Greater than or equal to minus 3 is greater. I have to shade on the right side of the minus 3. So right side means I have to shade this region. Since equal to means minus 3 is also included. So our answer is the x values can be minus 3 and 5. Also the numbers between minus 3 and 5. So how I should write the answer is x belongs to closed interval, because equal to sign is the closed interval, minus 3 comma 5, closed interval. So x belongs to minus 3 comma 5, both should come in the closed interval because both the places we are having equal to symbol. Third subdivision, x is less than minus 1. So you have here minus 1, less than. I have to shade on the left side of the minus 1. Okay. X is less than 3. Here also less than. So I have to shade on the left side of the 3. So left side of the 3, if I shade, it is covering all this region as well as. So you can see now the shaded portion is from minus infinitive to 3, but 3 is not included because I don't have equal to symbol. So our answer is the region between minus infinitive and 3. Both minus infinitive and 3 are not included. So they are not included means how I should write the answer is x belongs to open interval minus infinitive comma 3, open interval. Let us see the fourth subdivision. Minus 2x is less than 0. We can see we are having a negative sign here. So the very first work is to remove this negative sign. So let me multiply this inequation with minus sign. So when I multiply with minus sign 2x, this 0 if you multiply with minus sign also it is going to be 0 only, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. But when I multiply with minus sign, the direction of inequation should change. So I will have now 2x is less than 0. I need only the answer for x. So let me bring this 2 to the right hand side. So when the 2 goes to the right hand side, 0 divided by 2, it is nothing but 0. So x is less than 0. This is one answer. They have given the other branch also. 3x minus 4 is less than 11. So first let me take this minus 4 to the other side. So 3x is less than 11 plus 4. 3x is less than 15. That is x is less than 50 divided by 3, that is 5. So we have x is less than 0. We have x is less than 5. So let me mark these two numbers on the number line. So let me mark 0 and let me mark 5. First let me shade this portion. X is less than 0. So less than 0 means I have to shade the left side of 0. So I have finished this one. Now x less than 5. Again less than means I have to shade the left side of the number 5. So I am shading this side. And we do not have any equal to sign here. So 5 is not included. So you can see the shaded area now. All the numbers between minus infinitive and 5. This much portion is shaded. So our answer is x belongs to open interval minus infinitive comma 5. That also should be open interval because 5 is not included.